board, please remain seated while tram is moving. And also kindly hold on the grab bars and don't extend your fingers outside the tram. And kindly avoid using flash photography and selfie sticks during the tour. Thank you.
Pila ka book lion din ngayon?
In this area, sir, we have 3 white lions that were raised in captivity from France. But they are originated from South Africa. Fights among them.
So they're all female.
Yeah, and also these lions are also carnivores, so we provide them with just chicken and beef, totaling 5 to 8 kilograms per lion per day.
Per day?
Yes.
So,
Because they need meat to survive. And
so ihatag lang sa iya.
yeah,
Just give it, or you hide somewhere, or they gonna hunt for it.
There are some maintenance or keeper in holding area, ma'am. They will just go there.
Okay.
Tawagon lang sila through whistles.
Very nice.
Kaya wala yung humans na makadool nila.
Only
No
the
human
keeper.
can go there.
Only the keeper. Yeah.
And also, if you're wondering why they're feeling sleepy or exhausted, because they are nocturnal, which means they are active during night.
Okay. What taga nagkape?
Wanda ni ka sa
Sleepy.
graveyard din siya na
Kung
kuan.
saan pa more sila mga
Sleepy
call center
lion.
agent.
Oo.
Graveyard na kuan.
Shift.
Like Brandon, nocturnal.
Yes, they are nocturnal. And if they will roar, we can hear a remarkable of 8 kilometers away. That's their sign to communicate other lines.
Beautiful.
Di sila mag-away.
Ang dili no.
Just only three.
Kung may babae, aggressive sila.
Your lions
Wala
only
gyud sila
three.
iringid niya.
That to avoid aggressive fights among them.
Mag-away na sila doon. Ilog.
Too many women together, always arguments.
We have also two white lions, but ipagawas lang during night. If you were avail night safari, makakita mo ito nila.
You have night safari here.
Yeah.